What's up, guys? Here we have vz101697 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now, these are our rear window louvers for your rear windshield for your Camaro. This should fit any models between 2016 to 2024, and they are in our matte black. And two of them, so they should fit along both edges of your rear windshield. Something along the lines like this. Now, here's what the front and back look like. And honestly, I love the look whenever these are on your Camaro, on a Camaro, instead of the one full whole piece. And these also do come with 3M tape for install, so it's also easily removable if needed be. That way, if they ever get damaged, they're easily replaceable. Of course, you guys can always message our support team to get more. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this.